want to delete or remove or cancel your all friend request on Facebook. So let's see. So first of all, go to your Facebook. After that, open your Facebook account. You can see my Facebook account. So in this time I can easily cancel or delete or remove all friend requests on Facebook. In this time I can show fast process or fast method. So let's see. After that, you can see three dot line, click on it. Scroll down, choose and select settings and privacy. Scroll down, choose and select activity log, open it. Scroll down, you can see personal information. After that, connections. So in this you can choose and select connections. In this here, click on it. Friends, your friends on Facebook, friend request, friending preferences. After that, in this here, click on it. Scroll down, you can see send friend request, open it. So in this here I can see your all friend request on Facebook or your all sent friend request. So in this you can easily cancel or delete or remove your all Facebook friend request. So let's see. In this way I can show second process or second method. After that, go back. After that, in this here, click on it. After you can see all, click on it. Right top corner, three button option, click here. You can see view sent request, open it. In this here I can see my all Facebook friend request. So in this I can easily cancel or delete or remove all friend requests on Facebook. So let's see. After that, you can see cancel request, click on it. After that, choose cancel request. So in this way you can easily cancel or delete or remove your all Facebook friend request. After that, choose cancel request. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.